Hello Patrick, I couldn't find any decent videos on how to turn on System Restore, so I don't know if you've got a search box down in the corner, the bottom left hand corner. If you right click on the Windows button and click search and then type in System Restore, you'll see what comes up, create a restore point. You click on that and then you see it's turned off here. So you have to go to configure and just turn on system protection. And here you see this slider, put it up to about 4 or 5%, usually about 4%. Click apply, click OK. And to create a system restore point, you just press create. You name the restore point February 2021, say, click create, and that's it. It takes a few seconds, maybe a minute, not even a minute, and that's it. That's you created a restore point. Just in case you want to do anything, like those getting drivers, the only decent place to get a driver is from their website. Anywhere else, you're just asking for trouble. So I hope that's been helpful. But if you do struggle, I'll help you with the video capture. See if I can do it. Okay, see you later.